I feel that the reason why a lot of people have bad credit, like I used to have bad credit, was because nobody taught me how credit works, much like you guys here. Nobody really said, you know, son, daughter, have a seat, let's talk about how credit works. It was all done through trial and error, making mistakes that could cost a lot of money, right? But a lot of people want to buy a home, and I mean, how many people here see with people that have more good credit than bad credit? It's more bad credit, right? And it's because they don't know how credit works. So it's for us, it's not just repairing their credit. It goes more than that. It's about really educating them on the mistakes that they made. Because once they become homeowners and they have an asset that they can go after, if they make mistakes with their credit, then they could be sued. You know, they can put a lien on that property, and then things can get ugly because they do not know how credit works. The habits that got them there, they still have it.